Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today's video is a Tackle It Thursday video, and this video is actually a collab with the wonderful Shia from Mama Shishi Baby here on YouTube. I will link her channel right up there for you guys to go check her out, and also it is with 7 other ladies. I know, it's a big one today, and I will link their channels in the description box below, and maybe up there, depends on how many I'm allowed to put up there. I want you guys to go check their Tackle It Thursdays after you watch my video, and today is a big one, guys. I've got my bun, I've got my cleaning clothes on. I am tackling something that I've been dreading, but I need to get it done. I have not, look, this is real life, you guys. I have not cleaned out my refrigerator, like really cleaned my refrigerator since before my Halloween party. YouTube has gotten in the way. Honestly, there's no excuses. No excuses. It should not have gotten this bad. But I'm gonna tackle it, and it's gonna be a big job, you guys. Come on. All right, guys, as you can see, my fridge is old, it's tiny, there's not much room in there. One day I will upgrade my fridge, but for now we're just using with what came with the house. It's about 15 years old, it's still kicking, it still refrigerates my food. It's ugly, but it does the job. So, I'm really nervous about taking you inside this refrigerator. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is my fridge, you guys. It's a hot mess. Okay, so I got condiments. I'm gonna check all the expiration dates on these guys. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, here is my refrigerator. Got my sweet tea right there. Sweet tea representing. Look how like dirty this is. All this cheese in here. And I go grocery shopping this Friday, so I'm gonna have a nice clean fridge to put all my stuff in here. Gross, you guys. This is disgusting.
I am going through and making sure all the expiration dates are good, and gotta love my Chick-fil-A sauce. And yeah, a lot of food was actually out of date. That's kind of embarrassing, but it is what it is. We use it one time and we forget about it, I guess. With everything gone out of the fridge, it wasn't actually that bad. I still needed a scrub down, but it wasn't as bad as I had built it up in my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the whole fridge down with this anti-bac and let it sit for a little bit. So I have some water, a little bit of vinegar, and a dash of Mrs. Meyer's soap in there, and I'm just using a plain microfiber cloth to wipe everything down, and I have a little pink scrubby to get the hard to remove bits off of it, and I'm just going to do my whole fridge like this. And then I think I have another blue towel that I'll wipe everything down with after. Now it is time to tackle all the shelves in my fridge, so I'm going to do one at a time and put it back in the fridge. And I just use some Mrs. Meyer's lemon verbena to wash these down, and the pink scrubby to kind of get any tough spots. I swear I have the worst trouble trying to reinstall shelves. This is crazy.
All right, guys, it's so clean and shiny. I'm so excited. It honestly did not take that long. Filming in a fridge is hard. It really didn't take that long. I still need to wash these drawers down here, but I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my food back in so it can get back in the refrigerator.
So now I am going to clean out the little drawers that go in my fridge and get them all shiny and put them back.
Alright guys, one last look at where I put everything. Got my butter, and I got these from Dollar Tree. I have a total of 6 of them, or 5 of them, but I used 4. And I like how perfect they fit in there, so I can fit things behind and in front. And this is where all my condiments are. I like that hopefully it won't get so jumbled up in there. I like to put my pickles on the top shelf. My daughter loves to eat pickles. My drinks. I'm gonna use this whole basket of cheese. Guys, I do not need to pick up cheese on my grocery shopping this week. Oh my goodness. This is basically our pizza making basket because my kids love to make their own pizzas. Bacon and eggs. Other cheeses. We like cheese, guys. My other cheese drawer. My veggie drawer. Definitely need to stock that up on the grocery shop. And this is kind of my miscellaneous yogurt throw stuff in here drawer. And then my meats will go here when I get them. So I am really pleased with how this turned out and so glad I got to do it. Wow, if you guys made it all the way here, huge props. That was a lot of work. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And a huge shout out to Shia. Go check out her channel, Mama Shishi Baby, up there for putting this whole collab together. And also don't forget to check out the other ladies listed down in the description box. They're awesome. They're tackling all kinds of different things. Yeah, I am so glad I did this. This was a big task, but now my fridge is all cleaned out, so I can go grocery shopping tomorrow and check back in tomorrow for another video. See you guys.